Anyways, so I'm gonna switch to Marsha in my favorite color. God, I would sleep all my life, but literally I don't know how I could live without this color. This is F430. F4/30, and this wig was originally the Batik Peruvian from Outre. Ooh. And now she's a half wig by Love Hair by Venus. That's me. Now that I've got you right here, 'cause I got you sprung off in the fuck all your free time. So I'm just going to put on my lashes. I'm going to show you this really cool trick that I do with my lashes to make sure they go on exactly how I want them, and it literally takes 30 seconds. So I don't usually wear eyeliner, but I have eyeliner on today. Yay! So I'm just going to take my super strong hold. Reading is a talent. The super strong hold eyelash adhesive in clear. This is by Envy. I'm going to get close to the mirror. I'm just going to line. The mirror's not that close. I'm just going to line my lash line, trying to avoid putting it directly. Ooh, this is thick. So the camera turned off again. I don't know where it stopped at, but I lined my lashes with the lash glue. I went in with the Super Strong Hold 3D Lash by Envy, and right now I'm just picking out 2 pairs of lashes that I think will look nice on me. So I'm just gonna go back over. I don't know where these lashes are from, but yeah, I'm sure they're just $1 somewhere. So what you want to do, there's 2 ways you can put your lashes on. I just like to turn my mirror up and then look down and try to place it exactly where I want it.
Just like that.
And then I'm going to smash them together.
I know, didn't I say something about natural earlier? Gosh. So these look huge. These look really huge.
So I might put a little bit of shimmer on my eyelids just to make it look less crazy.
I'm going to take my other lash as well.
Hopefully the glue isn't dry. That's the beauty of it. The glue dries super duper fast. So again, just tilting the mirror down, looking down at myself and plopping it right on
the lash line, right on the glue. If you know how to use tweezers,
I suggest you use tweezers. If you don't, I suggest you learn. It is so much easier with tweezers once you get the hang of it. Oh my gosh, my lashes are in 2 different places. Even my lash being just over a little bit is the difference between looking bomb and looking crazy. You guys see that? Bomb, crazy. And because I already stuck it on, it's really not gonna come off. I could rip it off, but I really don't want to. Wow, it's making such a difference. Okay, I'm taking it off. Took off the lash, so if you missed it the first time, we're gonna do it again. Off. Luckily the glue is black, so the eyeliner that's gone is gonna be, replaced. But the hard part is that your eyelashes are gonna clump up a lot more because they're covered in glue and mascara. So it's always nice to just do it right the first time.
So I'm just gonna go back over. There we go. Just gonna go back over with the glue. Let it dry for like 30 seconds. not 30 seconds, like 10 seconds. It dries really quick. If you have extra gunk on your lashes from removing them, you just want to rip that off a little bit just because it shows. Alright. I feel like this might not be the right lash, but
last time I kind of went in too deep this way, so this time I'm going to come out a little bit more just so I have more clearance. I'm kind of use like the half lash effect, which is what I was going for the first time, and I utterly failed. Okay, so right now, as you can see, the lash is kind of like clenching down on my eyelid. So what I'm going to do is press it up with my finger and then try to press it down so it sticks more so upwards than downwards. Now it's a little bit more up. And I'm also going to try to stick it onto the glue. And what I'm going to do on the inside is try to push it downwards toward the inner part.
and there we go. They're still looking a little bit different, but sometimes that's what it looks like because, you know, the shapes of our eyes are not generally symmetrical. Maybe yours are. But I just like to keep these up here. If you ever have trouble, just smash them together
with each other. It makes it look more natural and it helps it stick better. And it lets you know if your lash is going to come off before you leave the house. Just a little bit so the lashes show. I was going to add a little bit of eyeshadow. Actually, I still might, just because I think my lids are a little bit too white. So I have my super beaten up Morphe palette that you probably only recognize if you know what a Morphe palette, the 365 or whatever color this is, actually looks like. It literally doesn't have a lid anymore. Use this to piece it. So I'm just going to go in with any brown that's available. I like to use this brown, obviously, that's why it's panned. I'm just going to go over. It's also really nice if you have like excess line or anything like that that's like sticking around, or if any of your mascara got to your top lid, then you can just go over it like that and bada bing, bada boom. And then a little bit of a lighter brown just under the brow. And because I'm extra, I'm going to use a little bit more brown and just deepen the inner crease a little bit. It's just a slight deepening of the inner crease, just to add a little extra dimension. I'll go in with my translucent powder and blend that out a little bit. I really need to brush my brushes. This brush isn't even fluffy. All right.